Guys, hi, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional with extra puzzles and Sudokus in today's newspaper of Wednesday, July the 28th, 2021. We have two puzzles left. Sudoku with 4 stars and a tectonic I will will make, and the second Sudoku I will continue is a Sudoku with 4 stars, and this will be number 3164. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Which number can I pick? How about the 3 in this row? 3 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. There 5, no 5 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 5 should be there. Then we have 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for the 8 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and 8 and 9. 7 and 9 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes. It's a pair. Alright. Then. How about the 1 in this column, 1 in that column? So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 7 in the third row? 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. Alright, so we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait. Alright. 3 in this first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Yeah. Four missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 5. We have an 8 and a 5 in the first column. So no 8 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 8 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 8 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, 5 and a 6. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those again. So now we have in the first column 1 digit left for the number 2, I believe. 1, 2, yes. 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. Let me mark those two boxes. 6 and a 7. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. What are those missing numbers in this big square? 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, 2, 6, and the 7. 2, 6, and the 7. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2, 6, and a 7. 2, 6, and a 7. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this column? 2, 6, and a 7. So here should be the 3. 2, 6, and a 7. 3, 5, and an 8. 3, 5, and an 8. 3, 5, and an 8. And look, we have a 3 and an 8 in this row. So no 3 and an 8 in this box. The 3 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and an 8. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Alright. 5, 5. Here should be the 5. Okay. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. There 5, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. We see here 5, we see there 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Alright. Alright. Okay. Think. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We see here 4 and a 7 in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 4. 7 and a 4. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and a 6. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes in there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 7. Alright. 6, 6. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Wow. Alright. 1, 1. Okay. 8, 8. Yeah. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, okay. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and an 8. 3 and an 8. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes. And there now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 5. Alright. 5, 5. 8, 8, okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. For the numbers 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and a 6. 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 6. How about these 2 numbers? Also 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a pair, 2 and a 6. So this is a pair. So what are the other pair in this column? 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We see here a 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Alright, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8, alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. You see there, 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. A 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3 and number 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last row. For the numbers 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 7. Okay. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers, 1 number left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 4 and 6. 4 and 6 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 9. Then. How about? Let me see. 2, 7. About those 2 missing numbers. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and a 6. 2 and the 6. Well, 2. No. We have a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 7. 6 and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 here. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 7. Now we have a 6 here. I have 2 and a 6 in those 2 boxes in the middle row. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 1, 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. This box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 6 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku, because this one I have made in 15 minutes. This one 14 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No. Is this a 2 stars? No. Whether a 1 star, because I'm faster than 15 minutes. For 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle. A tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, it's back again, and I love it. The tectonics with 4 stars. Publisher, thumbs up for you. I like it. See you then. Bye bye for now.